long way. I'm so grateful for how far I've come. Like, if there's something I really want to do with my life, is this thing. I need something that is very clear. Let's manage this. You must not follow. Okay. This sounds good. Okay, this is perfect. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're listening for the first time, my name is Iamyeychi. I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share to your friend because it's about to be elite. I've come a long way. Like, I'm so grateful for how far I've come. Like, this year was a lot of struggles because I got a lot of no's for the first time. Like, not like the first time, but I got a lot of no's. But then it's great because it builds me to be stronger for the next year. If you're not talking money, you go on my life. Man, just one day happy, man, one day alright. When I dance my makosa, people they dress for Instagram. Got me looking like machala. When I dance my makosa, people they dress for machala. Growing up as a child, I always loved cooking. Like the scent of food, the aroma, everything about the kitchen. I'm just like a kitchen baby. But now, as an adult, cooking is just stressful. I don't know if I'm the only one, or now so it be for you outside. Everything about cooking is stressful now. Like, I just feel like, why am I boiling everything to consume it less than 5 minutes, or 10 minutes, or 15 minutes? The stress is too much. Is it the same way over there? I don't know if I'm the only one. No. My heart is so filled with joy. Fills my body and soul. So much joy that never goes low. Comes from my Father above. See this joy no be by wealth, neither from all those luxury things. Hi guys, what's up? What's good? What's popping? It's me, the YouTuber. Some people don't know my name is Aisha. So guys, this is 2 days after the last video, the last clip. Guys, I really apologize. This video is just going anyhow in the scatter. I told you guys I'm at home now, and whenever I'm at home, there's always something to do. Like, I can't complete a video for like 1 hour because my mom or someone calling my name or something. Today guys, I just finished watching a video on YouTube, a vlog actually. I'm trying to start calling it vlog and not video. So there's this particular YouTuber, her name is Iamyeychi. I'll add it in the screen here guys. That guy is just like a motivation to me, a motivation to me. Like, you know, I don't know, whenever I relate to the vlog, like, I just get excited that moment. That is, her vlogs are one of the vlogs I can like relate. A video just inspire me, make me feel like I can do it. Like, YouTube is something I can achieve, that me too, I can be something great from YouTube. So I just decided to vlog again, because the last time I vlogged, the last clip you guys saw of me eating at the rest, it was cooking and eating. Actually, it was 2 days ago, and then have been unmotivated. I don't really have energy to vlog, but now I really have energy. Thank you so much for that inspiration. Iamyeychi. She may not see this, or maybe she may see it in the future, nobody knows. So guys, I'm really happy. First of all, I'm happy because of growth. Like, my YouTube is growing. I'm so happy. So which day was that? I posted a vlog about my sister cooking, and that vlog got me to 15, like, got me 15 subscribers. Just one video, 15 subscribers. I was so happy. Like, so guys, people love my sister cooking. She's going to definitely be cooking more for you guys. Like, now I'm almost at 200 subscribers. It's a lot. I think this morning I woke up to 183. I know before evening I'll get like 185 or so, because I'm just growing every day. If I post a video, the next day I get like 3 subscribers. I'm just like, God. My growth have been massive since August till now. It's not even up to 6 months, or maybe it's not up to 6 months, and I've been great for just 5 months. And this December, I'm really happy. I'm really grateful for growth. I'm grateful for the fact that I can do this. I can get 200 people that likes me, people that genuinely feel me, that flow with me, and not for the sake of clickbait. I should always put out content that are trustworthy, kind of content that people can gain from, content that I genuinely like and I genuinely want to put it out there. So I think I have an outing tomorrow. Ever since I go back to Lagos, I've not been going out. I'm just inside, not like indoor. You know, I told you guys, there's something to do in my house. So tomorrow is Saturday. I'm just going to try and go out. I'm super excited, guys. I can't lie. God has been merciful. Like, I'm so grateful to be alive today. I'm so grateful. I don't know. I don't want to share. There's some things I don't want to share out on internet because I don't know who's watching. But then I'm just so happy. I wish I can share some things, but I'm so grateful to God. I'm so grateful for growth. I'm grateful for the fact that I can conveniently do YouTube. Like, I understand YouTube. You guys don't know how YouTube means to me. Like, YouTube is more than just a platform. YouTube is a spiritual connection. I think that is the word. YouTube is something I connect with. It's something like I've always wanted to do with my life. I actually want to do more. Like, I want to help people more. I want to do something and put it out there so that a lot of people can gain from it. Yesterday, so guys, I'm going to talk a lot here. I'm sorry. So yesterday, I got one subscriber and she left a comment actually in one of my vlogs. She was like, "Thank you for this vlog. It's helped me heal." And when I saw this comment, it was like I should cry. I felt like crying. I was so emotional. Like, this is something I've always wanted to do with my life. Like, if there's something I really want to do with my life, is this thing. As I see somebody is there, person is just disturbing me. Like, YouTube is just something I've wanted to do with my life all my life. I just want to like have a channel or have a platform or have a means of touching lives, or I want to just have something I can connect with people with. I don't know how to put it. I don't know, but it's in my head. I know what I'm saying, but I don't think you understand. But then I just want a platform or anywhere, any means that I can connect with people. I can help people. I can inspire people. I can motivate people. I can make people feel like there's hope, even when they feel there's no hope. So when I saw the comments, it touched me. I was really happy, and I thought that to message me on Instagram, and I'm so happy. Like, I was so happy within me, my spirit. I was so happy. Like, this is like, we know that this is what you want to do, that kind of thing. This is what I want to do with my life. Overthinking of this problem. Better days are coming my way. Ibiori my day at the bed. Baronuti ko she faji repete. I can't come and keep myself. Make another man control my sweat. Eyi to di pako ni budget.
So these are our sugar daddy. Say I swear.
Let me see myself.
Yes. I say yes, very sweet. Come on, join me guys. I don't know why I do not take plate for me. Wait, no, bring it over here. Wait, bro. Go let's begin.
I know one look like person we get money. I'm a bet. Now money they stop nonsense. If them no give you kokoro, I lie.
One tip that I would say really helps, more so in the beginning, is making valuable content, which I know people say this all the time. Like, you have to offer something. That's just like the bait though. But you want to actually hook them with who you are.